Welcome back, Gravel Gang family. Okay, so today's mission, we are leaving Divide, Montana, and heading down to Dillon. We stayed at this cool campground called Divide Bridge Campground, and we're gonna be heading down from Divide all the way to Dillon. The campground there is really cool. It is called Clark Canyon Reservoir. So we'll be heading down there. We're gonna get on the road here. Yvonne already left early this morning. I had to do some work, but I'm on the road here. On the right side as I leave here is a really cool popular fishing hole. This is close to the Big Hole fish. It's a popular fishing hole for the fishermen. You see the creek is really cool. We're just gonna jump on the road here and head on down the road, and yeah, let's get into the video, and I hope you enjoy it. If you're new here, please be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave me a comment. The reservoir we're gonna be camping on tonight. Kind of deserty around here. Super tiny, super narrow road. It was a short drive to get to this Clark Canyon Reservoir. You pull up here, there's no campground host. You just first come, first serve. You grab a spot anywhere you like. By the way, dead giveaway here. I messed up my audio. That's why you're enjoying this crisp voice over. And what I just leveled the RV here, I'm telling you about how awesome of a job I did getting this RV leveled. Grabbed the bike, and then I got on the road about 8.5 miles down the road to go get Yvonne. As you can see, the RV is all set up. You gotta go 8 miles our way to meet Yvonne, and then 8 miles back. She got a long way, I think, she got 95 miles today. She did 80 yesterday. So, back to back climbers. Out of breath, man. I gotta go uphill for about half a mile. I got started ride. I did exactly 20 miles yesterday. So that was the longest ride in a month. Today's 16. If I can make it all the way to Grant. Good thing, coming back will be all downhill to the campsite. So I'm all good with that. Nothing like going uphill on your first mile of the ride. This elevation is killing me. I think we're between 6,500 and 7,000 feet of elevation. I made it from all the way down there. There's a slugfest, some kind of reservoir there. Anyway, we're gonna go and meet Yvonne. 8 miles this way. No shoulder. I don't like this, but I got my radar light, so that should help. I'm wearing my super lightweight MTB/gravel shoes and riding a mountain bike on pavement. Because why not? Cue the music. Man, fantastic. Hey horses, the horses are hanging out. Is it too bright? It's too sunny for them. They're probably feeling it. Straight into a headwind. Hopefully this transitions to a tailwind. That'd be fantastic. Yesterday was the same thing. I rode 10 miles into the wind, and It's all and uphill, into the wind uphill. So hopefully today is the same thing. Man, we're still rolling. The wind is just fierce. I'm just trying to stay as aero as you can on a mountain bike. But under 5 miles to my waiting spot. I'm working on getting back to greatness. My greatness, the level of greatness that I'm happy with, you know. I finally got a little bit of respite, a little slight downhill. The wind is still there, but it's slightly downhill. Yep, look at that. Oh. Definitely don't want to go swimming in there. There's probably something that'll bite ya. Oh, there's Yvonne. I thought I had like another 0.7 miles to go, but she's right there. Oh, the wind was killing me. We made it. Now we get to hopefully get it slightly downhill and some tailwind.
This is an interesting place.
It's like an arid desert.
Like, how far did you have to ride to get here?
8.7 miles.
I can't imagine that there's a reservoir even within 8 miles.
There is huge. You guys already saw that. Oh, you're gonna see that. Yeah, it's huge, beautiful. So I got Yvonne. I'm giving her a draft, and we're rolling. I don't know if you could see up there. We got the mountains. It's beautiful. When I was coming out, as I told you guys, it was windy and uphill. Now it's been tailwind downhill. My favorite kind of riding. Cue the music. They tell me this is God's country. That's what they tell me out here. That's what I've been hearing. What does that mean? Do we know? Big sky country also is what I've been hearing. The sky is so expansive. Maybe that's what they mean. It just feels big. I'm about to catch Yvonne and bring her in. Not fair, she's 90 miles in. I'm like 15 miles in. People just live out here, man. You know, that's truly, human beings are unique. I would never live out here. I'll come visit. I like the city. Not the big city, I like the medium city. Look at those beautiful, beautiful horses. Do we know why some of them have the eye thing and others don't? If you know, tell me please. Yvonne doesn't, and she grew up in Iowa on the farm. Psych, she did not grow up on the farm. Her mom did though, and your dad. We're almost back to the campground, and we got a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful reservoir out here in the middle of nowhere. This rock formation. There was no signs of falling rocks, so we should be all right. But then I see massive rocks out there, so maybe there is falling rocks. We don't know. I'm about to attempt some serious downhills. Drop a seat post, dropped. Okay, let's do it. So steep. So steep, guys. Oh no, oh no, I chickened out. See if we're gonna do some wild swimming. This camp right over there. So downhill from here. Literally all downhill. Look at that campsite, right? I'll put the name of the campsite up here. That way if you're on this side of Montana, you can come through and enjoy yourself too. Yep. Now that is what you call an adventure, you know. The more I ride, the more I realize that you gotta get out there and you gotta do those things that make you happy. Whether it's fishing, like these folks here, biking, hiking, all that stuff that involves appreciating this beautiful planet of ours. Anyway, ciao. I'll see you later. You need some help?
No, I was like, what am I stuck on? It's the front wheel. There's an art to this that the back wheel has to be over far enough.
She didn't need a big strong man like me to help her. Look at this. There's somebody out there doing boat stuff.
Is there a boat out there?
Yeah, see way up there?
Yeah.
There's a boat there. On the scale of 1 to 10, this campground, rate it.
7.
7.
I think a 7.
Why 7?
I feel like I might tumble down the hill.
It's kind of slightly down
The
here.
scenery is beautiful. If you were here at a different time of year, it could be very hot.
Or very cold.
Or very cold. But for this time of year, even with the sun out, it's not hot in the camper and we don't have the AC running. And I mean, I should rate it higher because I love a bargain and this place was free.
It is free.
And like 2 miles off the interstate. You can see the interstate over there, but you can't hear it because it's over there.
Yeah. Okay. And then maybe no trees, maybe.
No trees,
Takes
yeah.
off some points.
Yeah, like, it's still beautiful though.
It's gorgeous.